Hello again, welcome back, and today I'm going to give you reason 17 for polishing your shoes. So far you've seen me put 5 coats of wax polish onto these, and then I've gone over them a couple more times, 3 times more, with wax and water, and now I'm moving away from this Pat Deluxe black polish. And here's a tip that I got from Preston Soto, again at the Elegant Oxford. Have a look, he's very good. When he does a black shoe, he uses blue polish. What he says, and I found this is true, the light somehow reflects and gives an even deeper black. Now I'm using Sapphire Mirror Gloss blue. Oh, it smells so nice. And having concentrated on the whole shoe, now I'm going away from how many coats I give it, to timings, and I will spend 10 minutes on each shoe just doing this, nothing more than this, just touching the polish lightly, covering it over in little circles, and as you build up the mirror shine more and more, you move your movement goes from circles to this sort of polishing back and forth movement. And then a little bit of water. You see that shine developing? A little bit of polish, hardly any. You don't need very much at all now, but you will keep going and going. And none of what I've just told you has anything to do with the reason number 17, and that's honesty. Honesty is important in life, in all aspects of life. But in this is completely honest. You can't cheat anyone, you can't rob anyone, you can't lie to anyone while you're polishing shoes. If you miss out a section or a coat, then all you're doing is cheating yourself, and nobody does that. So you just keep polishing and polishing. Honest, good, solid work that harms no one and helps you in all manner of different ways. Honesty, reason 17 for polishing your shoes. Do come back tomorrow and I'll give you reason 18. Thanks for watching.